friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we're going to learn how to do the chevron stitch. I'm super excited about this one. If you have any questions with it, just make sure you leave it in the comments below, and make sure you guys let me know what kind of stitch you want to see next.
Alright, so for this tutorial, there's a bunch of different ways to do a chevron stitch. For me, I prefer to chain a multiple of 17, and then so you can do 17, you can do 34, whatever you want to do, and then an additional 15 after that. So I've already done that part. So for the first, we're going for row 1, we'll single crochet in this second chain from the hook. So we had 1, 2, and then in the next 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to do 3 single crochets. So in the 6th one we'll do 1, 2, 3, and then in the next 7 we'll single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to skip 2, and then single crochet in the next 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then do 3 in this one. And then single crochet in the next 7. 1. Yes, that was my hair in there. Alright, so that is our first row. And as you can see, it's already starting to make the chevron, the ripple. Alright, so we'll chain 1, skip this first, single crochet these 2 together, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in this one, we're going to 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to single crochet in the next 7. And then we're going to single crochet these 2 together. And then single crochet in the next 7, and then put 3 single crochets at the top, and then single crochet to the end. 4, 5, and then single crochet these 2 together. So I apologize, I misspoke there. So we'll single crochet in the next 5 and then single crochet the last 2 together. And then we will chain 1, and we will single crochet these 2 together, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet 3 in the top of that point, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then single crochet these two together, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and single crochet these two together. So that's how you do a basic chevron stitch or ripple stitch, or however you want to call it. That's how I do it. There's tons of different ways to do it. So essentially you want to add stitches at the points and single crochet together. You can skip stitches here too if you didn't want to single crochet the two together. There's a ton of different ways to do it. This is the way that I've always done it. There's plenty of other ways to do it, but essentially you just want to make sure that where you're adding stitches, you're taking away stitches, and it'll make it do this V here. And you can keep, like I said, you can add more to it. This would just make a little tiny swatch. It wouldn't do like a whole lot of big to it, like make a blanket or anything like that, but you could. If you have any other questions with this, I know it's kind of tricky to see how it's done, but essentially this is, like I said, you can, at the bottoms here, instead of single crocheting these together, you could just skip the stitches and it wouldn't be so tight here. It would spread it out a little bit more. You just want to make sure you're decreasing on the ends so that way it'll keep a straight line that way. But if you have any other questions or you want me to do a more detailed video of this, just let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and let me know what stitch you want to see next. Bye guys!